There you go. I saw it in your eyes. Oh, look at that lips. Look at that lips. But with that... Why can't you do that? Like, just like what you did to Jessica. Why can't you do that? You're scared. You're scared.
Minsan.
You're scared to be punched.
How about isi pump when I so pump? What I do?
Smile. Yeah, you're always smiling.
Goodness!
Yeah, you're always smiling. And that makes it that makes your love more meaningful because you smile when you cut her. The eyes is like something to say. Yeah, the eyes is very different. The eyes is very different. Is it true?
I don't think so.
How about
Stefan?
yeah, Stefan. Like that.
Ate! Like that.
Like that. Yeah, barkada, ate, like that. How about Ken? I think you're scared with Mark.
Maybe.
But with Jessica? Oh, look at that eye.
More. Maybe.
With Unad. How are we going to look Unad? Oh my. Binabasa ko mga mata niyo.
No. What is the first, about 5 weeks? Ay, 5. Tulad tayo na, when we're here the first time, you know that, Stacy, you, me, walking here,
Mga different look niya through his eyes. With Ate Steph, with Kim, Amo, Jessica, with Mama Lo.
I am your teacher. But now, we're brothers.
How you look, Mama Lo?
Not your guru. You want to do it again or you want to retire?
Uy, the camera. Uy, Jimmy.
Pala ka, Juman. Juman.
Nako.
Veteran ha, veteran. You're so veteran ha.
When you can't fix your hair, somebody else can fix it.
Sa'yo eh. The number 1. Number 1.
Tumamalos. Ilok.
Mamalos? Ano?
Mamalos.
Ano?
Sige na! Pagdami na pre! Oo, bakit kayo? Na pre pag kay Pamo.
Eh, paano?
Kim.
Eh, Kim takot kay Mark.
Ako.
Ate Cindy. Cindy na.
Ate Steph.
Ate Steph. Ha?
May dila din.
You do that. How you look unad?
Dami ka na ulit.
Oh, tayo man.
You have pimples.
No, not pimples. Maybe after.
Naman oh. Alam mo bakit?
Sumangot.
Hindi na barong-barong, Kevin, did you get pimples?
Oo.
A lot?
Hindi.
Init na, no?
Well, because they're so coated as some. That's what feel like the dust here. And the carpets. Never see like one stuff on the room.
Don't have to be sometimes.
Tinuturuan ka talaga ni Napray ng kung ano.
Before I
Hindi,
came in,
tinuturuan ka ni Napray.
Sa kanya kaya yun. Siya kaya nag-ano yun.
Guto siya.
Oh, when you go out, you'll get the air very dirty in Manila. Oh, yung traffic. Okay. When I go out in the day and I come out,
Init.
and I come even
Right, you
from
see?
lunch and
Init.
come back, and I wipe my face with the toner. It's very
Hindi ba? Tingnan mo ko rin.
But my house,
Look beside Dave.
it's more fresh air. I love it.
Look beside Dave. Look beside
No, but
Dave.
ang kasi screen.
We say, Chang.
From here. You have to go on the...
3 hours.
But
You can try
depends where
fish
you're
belly,
going
ka?
from, because here in Manila, when it's traffic, even if you go
Siguro
from
buto siya.
QC
Yeah, I can't fight.
to my house,
I can't fight this dandruff anymore.
I will take it out.
Also, my skin's kind of adjusted.
Kuya, ano yung gamot sa dandruff?
Ano yun?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Fire. Fire.
Guys, alis!
Ha?
Ano yan, kuto?
Nitro, ha?
Metro bar.
Ay, may pantanggal dyan. Fire.
Sachet lang and ano? Start fire.
Oh my God.
Alam ko never na, I forgot.
Name niya, di ba?
Maganda yung brand na yun.
40 pesos nga yun ang isang sachet.
Wow.
40, 50.
Before I had scars,
Mahal?
but it's when it's a
Once or twice mo lang gamitin.
Okay na siya.
Hindi, once or twice lang siya. Good for